Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to give your photos smooth, colorful, blended edges in Canva. Click Create, then select Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels. Next, select your design and change the background color. Select any gradient you want, then apply it here to add the gradient effect. Replace the green color with yellow, then adjust the orange color as needed. Select the photos element, then search within it for the man element. Add the photo to the design, remove its background, then enlarge and drag it down. Next, click Edit to proceed. Go to Filters, select Detone, then change the color to adjust the image accordingly. Select your preferred color by clicking the yellow option shown here. Choose the red color for the shadow, then proceed to save your changes. Click Share, then download more to increase image size and quality before hitting download. Click the Save button to save changes. Delete this image, then load your new image in its place. Next, we'll resize the image and remove its background. Open Apps, then select Image Blender. Select Image Blender, then choose the page and set the blend mode to linear. Next, paint the area at the bottom to apply the effect. Drag the item upward, then click Save to apply your changes. This is our final design. You can increase its size slightly if needed. After finishing your design, click Share, then Download. Save as PNG and increase the size to ensure the highest image quality. Now you can master gradient duotone edges in Canva and subscribe for more creative tips.